Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix temporary profile issue looks like all your documents and pictures are gone. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version, click and expand profile list. Open key with .box extension. Open profile image path. Make sure value name is equal to your login name. Simply delete the key without .box extension. Delete only .box. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.